Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hey everybody, this is Leon with a quick video on running multiple versions of insta-apps. I did a video a while ago about insta-apps and why I think it's a very cool feature of nixos, basically running applications without installing them permanently. Using nix-shell, this is done. It's super cool. I use it a lot, and lately I was in a situation where I read news about a new Blender release, Blender 4.0. I was super excited, and actually I had no reason to check it out, but then I decided, yeah, this is a problem. I need to check it out. I want to know what's up. And then I realized, oh wait, I'm using the Blender nixos package, and I was basically on an older version there, and I was thinking, okay, so it's an Insta app, I didn't install it. Is there a way to run multiple versions of these Insta apps? It turns out there is. So if you look at the at the search, so I realized I was deprecated, my version, and so here it is, 4.0.1. Oh, whoa, there is a new one. I should check that out as well. Anyway, so I realized that it turns out that you can actually, add multiple channels to nixos. A disclaimer: I don't know anything about nixos. I'm just, I just installed it. That's basically how much I know about it. So I was thinking that, okay, that sounds great. I'm gonna add a channel, and to my surprise, it worked. So I have, for all my applications, I have a, shortcuts in my bin folder. For example, Blender. You can see, I think it's in my bash rc, or in my, oh, this is probably this one. Yeah, so basically in your bash rc you have this export path, and I just added this one in there, which means that you get autocomplete for free for any script in the bin folder. So this is why in Roffy I can just enter Blender, because it searches my bin path now, which is really, really nice. So that's how I launch my Insta apps. And if you go inside, here you can see what I did. I basically added the unstable channel, which means the channel with the bleeding edge, super dangerous, newest, latest and greatest packages. I added that to my Nix channels. If I do Nix channel list, you can see I have two channels. I'm on 22.11, and I have the Nix unstable as well. And then I basically did this update after editing, which means it pulls in all the latest package descriptions. And then here, this is basically what I had to add. So if I would not use this one, so this would basically run Blender. Hey, let's try it. Why not? Takes a bit of time probably, because I did a garbage collect, which cleans up all my packages, all my Insta apps, sort of. Anything which is installed through nix-shell, basically. Here you can see we have Blender 4.0. Okay. Let's run this nix-channel. Let's do an update. I'm curious if we can get the 4.0.1 now on our screen, if we enable the nixos unstable. To be honest, I don't fully understand yet what this really means to have two channels basically in there. So I'm not really sure if a certain channel is the default now or not. So this is something I'm not fully understanding. The good news is that I didn't have any problems, so yeah, cross the bridge when we get there. As you can see, it takes a bit of time. I think what I could also show is, I found this cool meme here. So the cool thing about this whole Nix thing so far is that it feels like there is a dependency hell I'm not experiencing here. Normally with distros you have like, you're on a certain version, your packages are sort of, maybe updated a couple of times or maybe even once or never, but you're basically stuck with that. And then if you want to have the latest and greatest stuff, you have to upgrade your whole distro, or you need to do stuff with flatpaks and all that stuff. You get this sort of like, with one leg you're in the flatpaks, with the other legs you're in the package and your distro version. There is, I think with nixos, there's a lot of stuff you don't have to worry about anymore. Let's have a look. So now I'm gonna launch my Ruffy. Let's see, what do we get here? This might take a bit of time. It has to download some stuff. But yeah, to get back to this one, like this whole dependency stuff, it really seems that nixos has nailed this. Okay, so how can we check the about? Boom, 4.0.1. This is very nice. This is very nice. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any idea if it matters if you have multiple channels or not, and whether nixos doesn't care about having multiple channels. It's a multi-channel distro. Is that how you would describe it? Anyways, let me know, and have a great day. Cheers.